Hey there, everybody. I just wanted to walk you guys through here how you're going to type in your answers for the problems today because there isn't the capability in Google Forms to write exponents the way that we normally would write them. So I'm just going to show you how you should type them in today. So like, let's pretend that this is your problem. Okay, you have x squared y to the fifth, y, or x to the fifth, y to the third. So if you remember from our lessons, you could expand all this out, right, and make it be x times x, y times times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna run out of room here. Okay, so that's the first one, x squared y to the fifth times, because parentheses mean timed, times 5 more x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then y to the third, so that's 3 y's, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is not how you will type in your answer. Okay, this is just like an example here. So you will need to, and I know it's cutting it off for you guys. I'm sorry, I'm trying to fix that here. It's not going as smoothly as I had hoped. So there you go. You can see the whole thing. So this is how you'd like write on your paper, right? Or you write out, and then you'd go back and you'd count and say, okay, I see that I have 2 x's here. I'll change the color on that, and then I have 5 more x's. Oops, it actually doesn't even change the color for me, does it? It's having an equation tool, whatever. You get the idea, right? There's 2 here, and then there's 5 here, so there's 7. So the way you type that in is going to be x, and then above the 6 key, there's a little like caret. So you press Shift 6 to the 6, or sorry, what's my answer? It's to the 8, right? 2 x's and then 5 x's, so that's to the 7th. So that's how you type in x to the 7th, okay? And then if you want to, you can space it. And then y, however many y's there are, so there were 5 y's, oops, 5 y's, and then 3 more y's, so there were 8 y's, so I type in y to the 8th, okay? That's how you're going to type in exponents in the Google form, because you can't type things in like this. Like it's not going to work for you because Google Forms can't do that. Okay, so again, this little button on my computer, and I'm pretty sure on the Chromebooks too, it's Shift and then the 6 button. That'll give you that little arrow. So there's a little review problem for you guys and how we want you to type in your answer in the Google form. So good luck today, guys.